Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends Mobile on iPhone. First, make sure your device is compatible. You'll need an iPhone 6s or newer, running iOS 11.0 or later, with at least 3 GB of free storage. Next, head to the Apple App Store and search for Apex Legends Mobile to download the official game. Once installed, launch the app and either create a new EA account or log in with an existing one to begin your journey in the Apex games. It's a straightforward process to get started. Getting comfortable with the controls is key to success. You'll use the left side of your screen for movement and the right side for aiming and actions like shooting, jumping, and crouching. I highly recommend visiting the settings menu to adjust your control layout and sensitivity. There are many options to find what feels best for you. Spend some time in the training grounds to practice your aim and master your chosen legend's unique abilities before jumping into a live match. Teamwork is paramount in Apex Legends Mobile. Always stay close to your two squad mates and use the ping system extensively to mark enemies, loot, and locations. Focus on upgrading your gear by finding higher-tier armor, powerful weapons, and plenty of healing supplies like shield cells and med kits. Pay close attention to the map and the closing ring. Planning your movements early will help you avoid taking damage and secure a better position for the final fights. To get the best experience, fine-tune your game settings. Lowering graphic quality can significantly improve your frame rate, especially on older iPhone models, giving you a competitive edge. For those seeking more precise control, connecting a compatible Bluetooth controller can elevate your gameplay. Most importantly, always play on a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection to minimize latency and avoid frustrating lag spikes during critical moments in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.